Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI and how it can supercharge your YouTube script writing. You head to tools like ChatGPT, but often the results are well bland. But fear not, there are some clever tricks to whip up viral-worthy scripts in seconds using AI. First things first, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alright, let's get started. We'll be using two AI writing tools, ChatGPT from OpenAI and Gemini from Google. You can choose whichever one suits you best. Both are free, so no worries there. Now, Gemini has a cool edge. It can access the internet and even analyze images. This lets you craft prompts that are super specific. For example, instead of just saying write a motivational script, you can tell Gemini I need a motivational YouTube script about overcoming self-doubt. But what if Gemini's first draft isn't quite there? No problem. Let's leverage the power of existing successful videos. Head over to YouTube and find a video in your niche that's absolutely crushing it. Think millions of views. Here's the clever part. Some videos have closed captions, which is basically a transcript of the script. If the video you pick doesn't have captions, don't worry, we can use youtubertranscript.com to create it. Just copy the video URL and paste the link in it. Once you have the script, you can use Gemini again. This time, tell it to rewrite the script with a focus on your chosen topic. For example, if the original script was about conquering laziness, you could ask Gemini to rewrite it to be about believing in yourself. Now you have a solid foundation. Gemini can also modify the script's length, style, funny, serious, itzy, and tone. Play around with it until you have a script that perfectly reflects your unique voice. Remember, AI is a powerful tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Use these techniques to spark ideas and refine your scripts, but always inject your own personality to make them truly shine. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and create some viral magic. First, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Leave a comment below telling me what kind of YouTube content you create, and I might feature it in a future video. Until next time, stay awesome.